Has begun his fire.
Could be his teammate, or it could be the guy in the blue that almost won the race. They use a rabbit just to have the race go faster, so not really like for one person, it's just for, you know what I'm saying, get the race go faster. That was a fast heat. Who? Central State? Yeah, the one with his big thing at the back, I think. I don't know why they put white in that color. It would look better with the maroon.
Wynn of Cincinnati wears 1. Bell of the Invaders wears 2. Lackey of Central State wears 3. Kalinowski of Eastern Michigan wears 4. George of Eastern Michigan wears 5. Rutherford out of Cincinnati wears 6. Westler of Michigan State wears 7. Coffin of Miami, Ohio wears 8. Polonsky, Team Michigan wears 9. Kaiser, Purdue wears 10. Brown of Miami, Ohio wears 11. Bigelow, Team Michigan wears 12. Atzinger, Team Michigan wears 13. And Grove, Ohio State wears 14. Tightly bunched. Rutherford and Whistler right together.
A lot more in this.
Bell left. Kalinowski, Eastern Michigan.
Some of them was
moving up.
Yep.
Kalinowski challenging. Whistler leads it. Kalinowski second. And now on the move. Kalinowski takes the lead. Josh George moves into second place. Eastern Michigan, Kalinowski and George running 1-2. And he's Fred from the Indiana Invaders.
All the way in the back. We got the arm action, but sure, look at it. Arm
George Winston at 151.55. Kalinowski second, 151.90.